Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revisiting the story of Latarian Milton, the kid who once went viral for stealing his grandmother's car and saying he wanted to do hood rat stuff. 15 years later, the world wants to know, where is Latarian Milton now? Let's break it all down. In 2008, a 7-year-old boy from Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, shocked the nation after he stole his grandmother's SUV and went on a wild joyride. He crashed into mailboxes, parked cars, and even hit moving vehicles before being caught by police. When interviewed, young Latarian famously said he did it because it was fun to do bad things. That line turned him into an instant internet sensation, one of the earliest viral figures in the YouTube era. Over the years, Milton's fame faded, and his life took a darker turn. As he grew older, reports surfaced of him getting into more legal trouble, including a carjacking incident that led to serious charges. Many hoped he'd turn his life around, but it seems he struggled to escape the reputation and chaos that came with his viral fame. Where is Latarian Milton now? As of early 2023, Latarian Milton, now 22 years old, was arrested again, this time in Bergen County, New Jersey. According to police and court records, he was charged with simple assault and resisting arrest after being apprehended by Upper Saddle River Police on the 11th of February 2023. The arrest followed a high-risk vehicle stop on Route 17 North, involving a red Hyundai Elantra with Florida plates. Officers initially responded to a report of a domestic dispute, and after the stop, Milton was taken into custody and transported to the Bergen County Jail. His case was first sent to the Bergen County Prosecutor's Office, but was later remanded back to municipal court. The resisting arrest charge was ultimately downgraded to obstructing administration of law or other governmental function. Latarian Milton's story is a haunting reminder of how fast fame, especially viral fame, can spiral into real-life trouble. From the boy who wanted to do hood rat stuff to a man still facing brushes with the law, his journey is both tragic and cautionary. As of now, Latarian's legal battles continue in New Jersey, and it's unclear whether he's managed to find a stable path forward.